I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica, and today I invite you to take part in an exciting journey through one of the most incredible places in Portugal, Praia da Luz in Algarve. This small village keeps so many incredible secrets, and I'm here to show you some of its hidden gems. So if you want to explore this piece of paradise with me, click like and leave a comment, then let's get started. The journey will start at the white sands of Praia da Luz beach. Situated on the stunning Atlantic coastline, it offers amazing views of the rock formations and crystal clear waters. It's a perfect place both for swimming and sunbathing, so whatever you choose, you will have an amazing time here. And don't forget to take lots of pictures. Next, we will take a walk around the picturesque streets of Praia da Luz. It's filled with beautiful buildings and charming terraces. You can relax and enjoy Spanish food and check out street art here. Here, you will also find some great souvenir shops, so make sure you don't leave without something for your friends and family back home. And of course, we can't miss out on Alcantara Fortress here. This historical site offers panoramic views from its top, and you can take a boat tour and explore its amazing architecture. At the end of the tour, don't forget to enjoy the beautiful sunset here. Watching it from Praia da Luz is an experience you will never forget. I hope I've shown you the beauty of this incredible place. Now it's time to explore the hidden gems of Praia da Luz with your own eyes. Don't miss this opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and write a comment, and if you want to see more of my travel vlogs and excursions, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.